Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be talking about my January make. So I'll be talking about everything I sewed in the month of January. So one thing that I sewed in the month of January was this sweater right here. And I actually sewed this for my mom, and she let me borrow the sweater to show in the video, but it was inspired by a sweater she saw on TV, so I tried my best to recreate it. And for this sweater I used a styling design ruler, and then I also used another sweater, another sweater, and I basically just recreated the pattern using this ruler and this sweater, and then that's how I created the curved side seams on the sweater. So yeah, it wasn't too difficult to make. After I figured out the pattern, it was pretty simple to piece together, and I have the pattern right here that I drafted from the sweater. If this is interesting to you, I'm not sure if anybody cares about seeing the actual pattern, but yeah, this is the curved side panels. So yeah, that was one thing that I made in the month of January. Another thing that I made was the Nina Lee London Q dress, which was my favorite make. Really colorful, really springtime, summertime appropriate. I did version 1, as you can see, with the gathered sleeves. I have it right here, version 1. There are 3 versions you can do. You could probably hack it and make another version, but yeah, I did version 1, and I used a cotton type of material. It's like a cotton poplin, like a quilter's cotton. I feel like quilter's cotton has like the prettiest prints of all the fabric, so yeah, I chose this. I could not resist this fabric. I had it in my fabric stash, and I was debating on what to make with it, and I just said, you know what, I'll go ahead and make the Nina Lee London Q dress with this, and I just love the way it came out. I did not attempt to pattern match, but somehow I still managed to pattern match on some parts of the dress. But anyways, that's my Nina Lee London Q dress. Highly recommend it. I can definitely see myself wearing this all through summer. So yeah, that was another make for the month of January. Another make for the month of January is what I'm wearing now. It's a very summery type of top, but sometimes when I sew, I just sew based off how I'm feeling, and at the moment I felt like sewing something very summery, but I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of this when it comes to the summertime, springtime, or even for any holiday or vacations. It'll be a great top to wear if I'm going to a warm place. So yeah, I highly recommend it. I used Vogue pattern 9242, and I mentioned this in my Make 9 video, but I did version B. I was kind of in a dilemma over which version to make, but I ended up doing version B. I love the way it looks. C and B both have the elastic on the sleeves, and then version A doesn't, and it doesn't have the ruffles either. But yeah, I can see you can like mix it up, try to make your own thing work, but I do like the elastic on the sleeve. I think it makes it more elegant looking. So yeah, and I have it on right now. I'll insert pictures at the end of the video so you can get a proper look, because I know that this isn't really going to give you a good look at it, but I can stand up if you would like to see more. But yeah, that's the Vogue 9242. So yeah, those are all my makes for the month of January. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art, and have a nice day. Bye bye.